It was the day of the championship final. The sun was shining on the green grass, and the stands were full of cheering families. Ali took a deep breath as he tied his bright blue cleats. He had practiced all year for this moment. His heart beat fast, like a drum in his chest. Today, his team, the Tigers, had a chance to win the big trophy. The game was very close. Both teams ran fast and kicked hard. Ali zoomed across the field, his eyes always on the black and white ball. Every time he kicked it, he felt like he was flying. "Go, Ali, go!" shouted his teammates. The score was tied, and there were only 2 minutes left on the big clock. A tall player from the other team, Zayn, tried to take the ball away. Ali moved left, then right, keeping the ball close. It was a tough battle. Zayn was fast, but Ali was quick. They both wanted to win the game more than anything. The crowd was so loud, it sounded like a waterfall of cheers. Suddenly, the ball bounced high into the air. Ali jumped as high as he could to hit it with his head, but as he went up, his hand accidentally brushed against the ball. Thump. It was a very small touch, just the tip of his fingers. The ball dropped perfectly to his feet, and he had a clear shot at the goal. The referee didn't see it. He was looking at another player across the field. Ali looked around. No one seemed to notice. He could kick the ball into the net right now and become the hero of the game. If he stayed quiet, the Tigers would win the trophy. His heart felt heavy, like a stone. Ali knew what he had to do. He stopped playing and raised his hand. He walked over to the referee, who was about to blow his whistle for a goal. "Excuse me, Mr. Referee," Ali said in a quiet but clear voice. "I touched the ball with my hand. It was a handball." The referee blinked in surprise. He looked at Ali and then at the other players. He blew his whistle and pointed the other way. "Handball! Free kick for the other team," he called out. Ali's teammates looked confused and sad. The chance to score the winning goal was gone. The other team took the free kick and scored. A few moments later, the final whistle blew. The game was over. The Tigers had lost. Ali sat down on the grass, feeling a little bit like crying. He had wanted the trophy so much, and now his team was walking off the field without it. Suddenly, a shadow fell over him. It was his coach, Omar. Ali looked up, expecting the coach to be angry. Instead, Coach Omar was smiling. He reached down and gave Ali a big high five. "I am so proud of you, Ali," Coach Omar said. "You showed everyone today what a real champion looks like." Zayn, the player from the other team, walked over too. He shook Ali's hand. "That was really brave," Zayn said. Ali smiled. He realized that even though he didn't have a gold trophy, he had something much better. He had his honesty. Coach Omar was right. Telling the truth is the biggest victory of all.